सिस्टम ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स। इंटेग्यूमेंट्री सिस्टम बेसिकली होता है कि सबसे आउटर जो इंटेग्यूमेंट्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं। इंटेग्यूमेंट बेसिकली होती है कि इंटेग्यूमेंट इज़ द आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म, जो सबसे बाहर वाली लेयर। इंटेग्यूमेंट जो ऑर्गेनिज्म के किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के जो बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं, जो हार्ट होता है, जो मसल्स होते हैं, इन चीज़ों को जो चीज़ हमारी कवर करती है उसे इंटेग्यूमेंट बोलते हैं। इंटेग्यूमेंट इज़ द आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इंटेग्यूमेंट्री। इंटेग्यूमेंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स। अब वर्टिब्रेट्स में ये इंटेग्यूमेंट कैसे है? वर्टिब्रेट्स इन वर्टिब्रेट्स स्किन इज द इंटेग्यूमेंट। द इंटेग्यूमेंट ऑफ वर्टिब्रेट्स इज स्किन, एंड स्किन इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन which grows जो grow करती है, which grows with as the animal grows, which grows with the growth of the animal. And skin is divided into 3 layers. There are 3 layers of skin: epidermis, hypodermis, and dermis. Now, what is epidermis? Epidermis is basically, epidermis is, as in invertebrates, epidermis is the outermost layer which is 1 to several cell thick. Which is 1 to several cell thick. Next is hypodermis. What is hypodermis? Hypodermis, before hypodermis there is a layer epidermis. Dermis is beneath the epidermis, and it is composed of connective tissues. It is composed of connective tissues. Beneath the dermis, beneath these two are the main layers which form the skin. Beneath these 2 layers is hypodermis. Hypodermis consists of loose connective tissues. And it has some adipose tissues, nerve endings, etc. Adipose tissues, basically adipose tissues and nerve endings, etc. Basically, the epidermis is the outermost layer which is in direct contact with the environment. Dermis is the beneath layer which provides supports which provides supports to the epidermis. And hypodermis is that layer in which all of our functions, our fat, either it is the deposition of fat, adipose tissue are for the deposition of fats, and nerve endings, receptors lie in the hypodermis layers. Skin of jawless fishes. Skin of jawless fishes is relatively thick. They have thick skin. Skin of jawless fishes is relatively thick. First point is jawless fishes have thick skin. Secondly, jawless fishes has epidermal glands. In jawless fishes, epidermal glands are also present. These epidermal glands may also secrete there are several types of glands, not a single one. There are several types of glands. They may perform different function. They can secrete a cuticle, protective cuticle for protection, and for example, in jawless fishes there comes a hagfishes and lampreys. We are talking about the hagfishes. Hagfishes have multicellular mucoid gland, multicellular slime glands. These glands secrete mucus. These glands secretes mucus, and these glands secrete mucus, due to which the whole body of the hagfish is very slimy. Whenever someone touches the hagfish, the body is so slimy that even when the fisherman tries to touch when this fish comes in the trap, and the fisher tries to touch it, or tries to remove it from the hook, then it is so slimy to touch that it would slip away in his hand. Due to this characteristic, it is also called as slime eel. This descriptive characteristic that secrete mucus and multicellular slime glands, due to this characteristic, it is called as slime eel.